Hey there, so I've been wrestling with this game for a bit now, and I've found a workaround to stop my PS5 from crashing while playing Helldivers 2. Here's what I discovered identifying the issue after struggling with crashes for a while. I realized that the problem wasn't with the game itself but with my console overheating. Testing solutions, I experimented a bit and found that simply taking the covers off the console improved airflow, even though the game wasn't necessarily overheating. Optimizing air circulation by placing the PS5 on its stand and laying it down, the vents could circulate cool air more effectively, preventing overheating and crashes. Performance mode: with these adjustments, I could confidently run the game in performance mode without worrying about sudden shutdowns. Expanded application: this solution not only worked for Helldivers 2 but also for other high-performance games like Elder Scrolls, which previously caused shutdowns. Sharing the fix: if you're experiencing similar issues with your PS5 and Helldivers 2, try removing the covers, ensuring proper airflow, and playing the console flat for a smoother gaming experience. Conclusion: with these adjustments, you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without the frustration of sudden crashes.